Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. Why are there not more people talking about the spiritual power of sand? Today, let's unlock its secret. You are highly blessed and empowered to achieve greatness with your brain and 5 fingers through the existence of the wind, water and sand, which our creator Chukwu Okike Abiama uses to sustain all humans and monitors all the activities on earth, both in the spiritual realms without error, to avoid blacklist after death. Truly, you are safe and secured to be here on earth via the wind, water and sand. Today is Monday, the 2nd of September 2024, and also Nkwo Market Day in Igbo land. Be prosperous in your business and handwork. Every Monday we celebrate sand by presenting the sand to your creator, the owner of all humans and languages, to increase the power and blessings of the sand to be fruitful and bless humans and guide human movements to their daily activities to support their life and their followers. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, aka wind, water and sand, the blessings of the universe. Onye Ndu Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of truth after life.